Hi everyone, this is Ed and welcome to my YouTube channel, Stocks DIY. So if you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe and follow me in my journey about this stock investment. So basically this is my 6.5 month journey on Sharesies. I was not able to upload on my 6 month due to being very busy, and now this is my time to show you my portfolio. So I will show you now. So now I have a $8,713 $64 in my portfolio. That includes the this one, $549.37 available to invest. So there's a lot of changes in Sharesies right now. So they also have like a US stocks available, but I haven't done the US stocks yet. So right now this portfolio is mainly New Zealand, or basically only New Zealand at this point. So first I will show you right now. This is the current portfolio with 6% wallet. That is this value 549, and so different risk on my investment. Then click on this one. There you can see here. So I have a positive return. So this is gain of $688.33 with the plus 8.53%. This is looking really good. So I'll show you the graph. So you can see here on this 1 year graph. So you can see this is the lowest point, or I think minus 900. It's one of the lowest now. Then rising. So I keep on putting some money in this portfolio, and now you can see. So it turns like green at this point. Let me see. So it turns green last June. Then it keeps on getting better. So let's see, it's going up, but it went down a little bit here. So from 400 then down due to lockdown alert level 3 in Auckland. So after that it goes up again. So now it's 554, and this is the latest 688.32. It's really good. Now I show you the companies and funds. So this is a little bit different now. Unlike before, you can the funds are separated and the company separated. Now you can see all at the same time, but you can choose like a companies. Then we'll show you the funds, ETFs, and managed funds. Unlike before, there's like a separation between the two. Then you can scroll down, you can see the companies below. Now it's different. So if I choose first, I show you the ETFs. So I still have this March share 200 or plus 3.8. Then this is I think the remaining loss for me, negative 0.19%. Smart shares Europe fund, and NZ bond top 10 is doing good, 5.95%. Then oh yeah, I see this one is also at negative 0.49, but not too bad. And NZX50 I recently purchased, but I can see these are basically almost the same. So NZ top 50 and NZX50, I was just tempted to purchase some because this is a newly new fund from Smart Shares. So I think it will be a good timing to invest on this one at this point. So maybe in the future, once I have this one positive, so maybe I can transfer the money to this fund. So I still don't know. Then Smart Shares US is still also positive, 2.86, and this one is the best one for me. So for funds, so US large growth fund at 14.72. So let's see here this one. So now there's an overview and investment. So you can see the graph here. So I keep on putting some money. The dots are showing that I put some money there. Then go to investment. can see here, this is the investment value, but the total money that I put in is $315, and I have a total return of positive, like 46.37. Then you can see the graph here. We started at loss, then going up. So the peach or the pink line is showing the actual value, and this one is the invested amount. Okay, we'll go back to here. Now I will show you the companies. So A2 Milk, then AFD Pharmaceutical. This is really good at 19.66% gain. Air New Zealand is still at negative, so because there are still no flights, very limited flights available, so mainly domestic flights. Then now ANZ, then Argosy. This is recently, I think I purchased this, I think about 2 weeks ago. Let's see. Okay, August 3. Okay, that's the first time I purchased one stock on this one. Then it is a gain of 4.22. Then the Bliss still minus. Then Briscoes, finally Briscoes is on the positive side. You can see here. So it started at a very low. So see, I started at high point, but it went down here. So I keep on putting money. So now, so I couldn't wait for the value to reach at this point. So I put some money here. So now I am already on the positive side. So let's see the investment. Now you see here at 0.65 or 65 cents. Okay, then go back here. Briscoes, and so this is the best one for me, the Fisher and Paykel Healthcare. So it never went down. So now it's at plus 30%. So I still have a loss on the Fletcher. Then Genesis is like changing from plus and minus. Then this one is always at negative at this time. So Hallenstein, big increase. See, because it keeps on going down before. See, going down, then about 2 or 3 days, then went up. I think something to do with the announcement or financial report that they are making money, something like that. So now I have like, let's see the investment, like a $6.72 return. So I invested $60 here, then now it's 66.72. Then let's see what else. So Infratil now plus 0.63. Kathmandu is slowly going up because I have started at a very high point here. See, at 2.478 last February, then went down, then it's slowly going up. So I keep on putting money. So Kathmandu, then Kingfish, so still at positive. Main freight is really good, plus 14.09. Then Meridian is also like a roller coaster, it goes up and down. Then Michael Hill is still at minus. Then use NZX is really good at 19.99 or about 20% gain. Shania is still minus. Port, and then property for industry, and then PushPay, SmartPay are still doing good. So it's still 16.97. Then also Scalar, yeah, 26. SmartPay is here 47. Then Spark at 7.04%. So only few companies are on the loss or negative. So just like the Z Energy still minus, but I don't put any money anymore, so just stay that way. Then Tilt Renewables, then Vital Healthcare is really good, 20.69. I used to have like a Convita, but I already sold it as well as the Auckland Airport when it reached to like a positive, because it won't go up at the moment. So I think I better reduce some companies because it's too much. So from what I read in some investment articles, it is right to have like around 30 stocks to have like a more profitable investment. So now this is more than 30. Okay, so basically this is the stock portfolio for me at this point, and also I included the one for my kid, so Kel. So I'll show you this one. So right now it is at 76.26 portfolio value, so it's really small. So I'm just managing it. So it's like I have a 50% investment now, 50% in the wallet. So it's still available to invest. But the investment is here. So only 4 investment for 3 funds and 1 company. This one is minus, and all funds are on the positive side. Then I will add some more on this one, invest on another $37. So I don't know which company yet. Okay, so go back to switch to my account. Okay, so another preview on this one is when you do invest, so it's completely different as you've seen before. So now there's an option to invest in US share. So probably next time I will show you when I try to activate this option for investing in US share. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe to this channel and follow me in my journey.